I want to turn to something that's on everyone's mind if you're a chief data officer, and that's AI, machine learning. Mm-hmm. And just get your perspective on one, anywhere in Texas currently where AI and machine learning is being leveraged. And then two, what do you see as the direction for machine learning with state governments?
So one of the things that our agency, DIR, has done this past year is establish an AI Center of Excellence. So we are working with vendor partners to test drive some of the kind of the branches of AI, or machine learning, RPA, natural language processing. I'll give you one example, which is around the RPA. So in our program here at DIR, we have an effort through Texan. It's an effort of contracting our network services for our customers. And there's multiple bills. There's multiple vendors that provide those services. So we've leveraged a bot as a proof of concept to consolidate that information and help minimize the manual efforts required on the part of our finance, accounting, and billing people every month in consolidating this to a single bill, which allows the customer to be able to then to look at it in a single view, and it's itemized out, and then it helps facilitate a faster process of payment. And it helps not only the customer understand the situation, but it also helps internally our operations become more efficient. So this is just one way that we're leveraging the RPA under AI as an overall branch. But we see more and more opportunities in state government for AI, not only to reduce manual tasks, but also to improve efficiency across the board. You think about, things that I've read, facial recognition as a potential opportunity down the line. I know there's privacy concerns with some of that, and there's still technology things they're working through on that line. But think about human trafficking, or think about a lost person, child silver alert, or Amber Alert in our state. Having that capability to leverage like facial recognition might help lend itself to identifying an individual faster, or finding that lost child, or what have you. So I see that as maybe a downstream future thing that we could take a look at and see from there. Certainly social services. We're working with our Health and Human Services Commission right now, and there's an initiative of Texas suicide prevention. Mm-hmm. Well, how can we leverage the multitude of data in a way to help identify potential triggers or things that could cause an individual to kind of move down the spectrum of that? And how can we intervene to help to provide services in a timely manner to address those? And maybe AI, maybe RPA, or some of the other elements could help assist in the social services arena with challenges around that business use case situation. And there's many others. I just think that government is always slower to respond to some of these newer technology things. And proof of concepts, in my opinion, help to provide not only just talking points about the use case, but the real life example of value that was generated from you using the new technology and leveraging it going forward. So it's a wide open field. I think certainly the government and the public sector has much to learn more going forward from that.